Hi guys. Oh hi guys, it's been such a long time, huh? Well, anyways, welcome. My name is Evelyn RT. If you're new here, then welcome, and if not, then welcome back. We are going to be on our way to Trucks and Costumes. No, yeah, no. Excuse me, I'm in the middle of something.
Oh.
But do you get gift cards at work? I don't think so.
I get sweaters.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna go to Trucks and Costumes, which is the same thing as Truck Madness, and it's what? And it's 7:08. I don't think you guys can see it.
It's cold.
The camera jiggling is me. Is it jiggling or wiggling? Alright, well.
Nice.
Oh look, that's perfect. We'll just see you guys over there, since it's gonna be like an hour-and-a-half drive. And we're probably gonna stop to get breakfast. Are we stopping? I don't know. Over there now? Because there's nothing really around here. Okay guys, we'll see you guys once we are over there.
Mami, tú eres una champion, rampa, pa, pam, pam, con un booty fuera de hogar. Una cintura chiquita, mata la cancha, tú estás fuera lo normal. Tú lo bates como la vela de abuela. Hay muchas mujeres, pero tú ganas por tela. Enseñando mucho y todo por fuera.
So, I said serious talk because I haven't been uploading. Well, I haven't uploaded in, how long? Like a month, no? Because Madness.
Oh yeah.
Madness was a month. Was it a month ago? Okay, well, point is I haven't been uploading, and I think I told you guys that I went back to college, and I say went back because I had already taken some classes while I was in. Does that count if I had already taken some classes? Yeah, huh? Okay, well, I went back to school pretty much, but I've been struggling a lot, especially since it's all online. So yeah, I've been stressing a lot, and I don't want to be making like half-assed videos if I'm over here mad and stressing the whole time. That's one reason. And then the other reason, yeah, I shouldn't say anything, huh? Just stuff that I can't really talk to you guys about, because then if I do, more things are going to happen. So yeah. That's why I've been staying low-key lately, but other than that, I think I'm back to uploading. Well, for sure this video, I don't know if I'm fully back to uploading, but yeah, we're just gonna eat, and then we'll talk to you guys once we are at the show. I'm still mad about my hair, but guys, we made it. We are about to, once again, we don't have to wait in line because we do have wristbands, which we only have them because we did sell tickets for the event. But is the line long?
Can't tell.
Not really, huh? I don't know. Sale?
I'm scared.
Oh, so yeah, the line's from all the way over there to all the way here.
Yeah, we're gonna go to bed. Come around. You see that red Suburban? Yeah, that goes like that? Yeah. Come around and go around the other side of it. Okay. I'll let you guys in. Awesome.
Thank you.
I'm Dylan. I'm in Yee. We're about to take a picture.
You feel me? And I'm Heidel. I'm looking for a girlfriend. You wanna say something, bro?
Alright, Yee for the win, that's all.
You feel me? Puro pinche Yee chucking a la verga. You feel me? Bro, hey, boom.
car wash. We were gonna be late. We weren't even gonna try it right, so the watermarks were gonna be on there, and it was just gonna be useless. So might as well just get it here.
Fuck the other shit we got, Milo on the beat. Hey. Go dumb in the backseat, running through that pussy like a track meet. She wanna fuck 'cause I flex like an athlete. Ooh, yeah, she freaky, she nasty. Go dumb in the backseat, running through that pussy like a track meet. She wanna fuck 'cause I flex like an athlete. Ooh, yeah, she freaky, she nasty. Ay, yeah, she freaky, she nasty. But I was fucking on her best friend last week. She threw it back, so I slapped her on her ass cheeks. Always keep a hat, bitch, I ain't no baby daddy. I'm tryna blow bands on a thick hoe. Give a fuck about your mans, he big bro. Fucking with a broke bitch, that's a no-no. Bitches really out here sucking dick for some promo. I just want the cash, I don't need friends. Bitch, I got a bankroll, you don't need ends. High class, so I fucked her in the big bands. Baby, put me on your friends at the team win. Hey, going hella dumb in the backseat. Steady going up, you can't catch me. Pulling out the ones, I'll throw it on her ass cheeks. I'm her mama, but she still call me daddy, bitch. Go dumb in the backseat, running through that pussy like a track meet. She wanna fuck 'cause I flex like an athlete. Ooh, yeah, she freaky, she nasty. Hey, bitch, go dumb in the backseat, running through that pussy like a track meet. She wanna fuck 'cause I flex like an athlete.
Stupid young.
Ooh, yeah, she freaky, she nasty.
Hey, bitch, go dumb in the backseat.
Okay, guys, I'm officially happy. I can stay here all night. I'm not.
You want to stay home. Now you want to stay.
I'm not gonna complain about the heat or no, estoy hambre. Or anything. You guys want to see why? Look how beautiful. I got top 35. Look. It's signed and everything. Oh, excuse my nails. I haven't done them. But look how cute this is. Okay, guys. I guess they're bringing Abraham Vazquez into the truck. I don't know exactly what they're doing, but I'm not going to be driving it.
Una vuelta aquí. Vamos a dar uno, va. Vale. Vamos a dar la vuelta primero.
Sí.
Arre, pues dale. No quema acá. No quema acá. Dale. 1, 2, go, 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 go! Woo! Go, go! No quema! Go, 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 Anthony! Go, 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 go! Go, hit it!
feeling?
My heart.
How you feeling? What did he tell you? What did he tell you?
Nothing. He's just like, I've never met a girl that can do that or like that likes doing that. I was like, I don't know how to do it, but I'm down to do it.
Don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. There's Evelyn taking a picture with her truck. We got Cookie right here. LTZ Eddie. We got Heidel over there. Look at her. Oh, that's cute. What? Can you see me? Do you want me to get out? I'll get out. Watch out. Damn, this thing goes crazy on camera. On camera and in person, it looks ridiculous.
What are you saying? Oh, nigga, you ain't smoking shit.